Rambutan mukbang with grapes. And the winners! Great. You should do, I think you should do a cooking video. I don't. Do you even know how to do that? But you cook.
Tigilan mo yan, Riley. Ilagay mo sa lababo.
I will open this.
Ilagay mo na yung sa lababo yung kutsilyo.
I'm done. Is that how you eat? I'm not eating rambutan. I don't like it.
Sana sa
I don't want it. No, I don't want it. What?
Don't listen to my background music. Or background noise.
Masarap ka ng rambutan ko. Rambutan.
So after help me find my drawing. Hey, pizza!
Okay din ha.
Akin to ah.
Sigabi.
Naiwan ko doon ah. Nakita ko doon sa kwarto ah.
Okay na yun.
Nakita ko sa loob ng bag ni Daddy. Joke
Akin
lang.
na.
Joke lang.
Ngubit ka.
Hindi! Nakita ko sa ilalim ng kama.
Ngubit ka.
Hindi. Kayong nangungupit.
Kaya lang ako ngubit.
Last year.
Sour.
Di mo lang naalala. Nangupit ka ng 100.
Gagawa. Ayoko nga dito.
Tapos hindi binayaran.
Iba yung
Okay, we are almost done with the mukbang.
And I'm trading mango.
Where's the cut?
For
I forgot to cut this one. Wait.
lemon
Opened
seed,
it.
lemonade seed.
Oh my god. Laglag. Guys, na-shoot. Juicy. And that is the end of the rambutan and grapes mukbang, aka my second mukbang. Bye!